I am Dr. R.R. Sanap, Head Department of Botany, Rao Bahadur Narendra Baravke College, Srampur. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the plant family, that is family Acanthaceae. It is the part of syllabus of T.Y.B.Sc Botany, paper 4th, that is BO 334, Spermatophyta and Paleobotany. So let us see this family Acanthaceae with reference to its classification or systematic position, then morphological characters, distinguishing characters, plural formula, plural diagram, and the economic importance. So first let us see about the classification or systematic position. So the family Acanthaceae, it shows the classification like this, that is division phanerogams, subdivision angiosperms, class dicotyledons, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellity, order Personales, family Acanthaceae, genus Adathoda, and species Vasica, its example. Now let us see about the morphological characters of the family. So if we see the habit of the plants, so the plants of this family, they may be the herbs, may be shrubs, or maybe the climbers. So it shows the presence of the diversified habit. As it is the dicot family, it shows the presence of the taproot system. So there is as it is a dicot family, it shows the presence of the taproot system. If we see the stem, so the stem, it is aerial, erect, or climbing, herbaceous, or woody, and branched. If we see the leaves, so these leaves, they are simple, opposite, decussate, or alternate, and they are with reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. And if we see the inflorescence, it shows the presence of terminal or axillary raceme or spike. So in the plant like the Adathoda vasica, there is a presence of this spike type of inflorescence. If we see the structure of the flowers, so flowers are bracteate, they are bracteolate, they may be the sessile or pedicellate, zygomorphic, bisexual, complete, and pentamerous. So the flowers, they are with the bracts and bracteoles, maybe sessile or pedicellate, zygomorphic, bisexual, having all the holes, so complete, and they are pentamerous. Now, if we see the structure of flower, then we will see the structure like this. So here it shows the presence of the bilobate corolla, the corolla, it is bilobate. It shows the presence of the calyx. So here there is a presence of the disc below, and it shows the presence of the bract. So one bract is present. Inner side to it there are two bracteoles. There is a presence of the calyx. So here the flowers, it shows the presence of the bract. So this is the bract. Inner side to it there are two bracteoles in case of the plant like Acanthaceae. So these are the sepals, and if we see the calyx, it shows the presence of the 4 to 5 sepals. Sepals are free, so it is called as the polysepalous, and they are present in the imbricate type of estivation in case of Acanthaceae. If we see the corolla, it shows the presence of the petals 4. Out of that, these 2 petals they fuse together, forms one lobe. 3 petals they fuse together, form the another lobe. So here the corolla, it consists of the 5 petals. They are gamopetalous and present in valvate type of estivation, and corolla it is bilabiate having the 2 lobes. That's why it is called as the bilabiate. If we see the androecium and gynoecium, so the androecium, it shows the presence of the 2 stamens, and these 2 stamens they are having the, so these are the stamens. It is the anther. This is the filament, and it shows the presence of this at the central inner hole, that is the gynoecium, where there is a presence of, this is the ovary, this is the style, and this is bilobed stigma. So here, if we see the stamens, so the stamen, structure of the stamen, it is like this. So it shows the presence of the 2 lobes, but their anthers, they are at unequal height or unequal length. So thus here, these are the anther lobes, 2 anther lobes, and it shows the presence of appendage. A small elongated beak-like structure is present to one anther. It is known as the appendage, and this is the filament. So if we see the structure of the stamen in the Acanthaceae, the structure is like this. So these 2 anther lobes are present. Out of that one anther lobe, it shows the presence of the small beak-like structure called as the appendage. And thus here the endoecium, it consists of the 2 or 4 stamens. They are diadynamous, dithecous, basifixed, and the anthers, they are present at unequal length, and they are attached to the corolla, and that's why it is called as the epipetalous stamen. So this is the single stamen. If we see the gynoecium, so this gynoecium, it shows the presence of the 2 lobes. Here the gynoecium, it shows the presence of a disc below it. So this is the disc, this is the ovary, this is the style, and it is the stigma which is present at the apex. So this is the structure of the gynoecium. So the gynoecium, it is bicarpellary, having the 2 carpels. Carpels are united, so it is syncarpous. superior ovary with axial placentation. If we take the LS, it shows the presence of the axial placentation. Style long, stigma bilobed or bifid, and below the ovary there is a presence of the disc. So this is about the floral structure, and if we see the type of fruit, it is the capsule type. So the capsule type of fruit is present in family Acanthaceae. Now let us see about the floral formula and the floral diagram. So let us see first the floral formula. So here the flowers, they are bracteate. So its symbol is Br. Bracteolate, zygomorphic. It is having the both androecium and gynoecium, so it is bisexual. Calyx 4 to 5, they are free. Corolla, petals, they are 5, they are united, gamopetalous. Androecium, stamens 2 or maybe the 4, they are epipetalous. And gynoecium, it consists of 2 carpels, syncarpus and superior ovary. So this is about the floral formula. Now let us see about the floral diagram. So it shows the presence of the 5 sepals. These 5 sepals, they are free. So it shows the presence of 1 sepal is completely outer, 2 are completely inner. So there is a presence of the quinquential type of estivation. Inner side to it, there are petals. Petals are 5, present in valvate type of estivation. So the petals, they are united. So it is gamopetalous. There is a presence of the carpels. So carpels is presence of bicarpellary gynoecium. There is a presence of the placentation, which is axial one, and there are presence of the 2 stamens, and the 2 stamens, they are epipetalous. There is a presence of the bract, and there are 2 bracteoles. So these are the 2 bracteoles present inner side to the bract. So the flowers is zygomorphic. So this is about the floral formula. So the flower is bracteate, bracteolate, zygomorphic, bisexual. Here the sepals, they are 5, present in quinquential type of estivation. Petals, they are 5, they are present in valvate type of estivation. Stamens, they are 2, dithecous or bicelled, and they are epipetalous. Gynoecium, it consists of 2 carpels, syncarpus, superior ovary with axial placentation. So this is about the floral diagram and the floral formula. Now, if we see the distinguishing characters of the family, So the plants, they are mostly herbs or shrubs. If you see the flowers, they are present in the raceme or spike type of inflorescence. Flowers, they are with bracts and bracteoles. Then corolla, it is bilabiate. Stamens are 2 or 4 diadynamous and epipetalous. Gynoecium is bicarpellary. Syncarpus superior ovary with axial placentation, and fruit is capsule type. So this is about the distinguishing characters of the family. Now let us see about the economic importance of family. So the first plant is the Acanthaceae vasica. So here, the leaves of this plant, they are used in the asthma, bronchitis, and the cough. So these leaves, they are also used in the rheumatic pains, that is in the rheumatism, and they are also having the antiseptic property. Then the next plant is the Strobilanthes callosus. So from the flowers of this plant, the honey is obtained. This honey, we know that it is medicinally important. So important, this honey is obtained. The next is the Barleria prionitis. So this actually it is the commonly planted as the ornamental plant, and the leaves of this plant, they are chewed for the toothache. So if any person suffers from the toothache, then these leaves of this plant, they are chewed for the relief. Then the next is the Crossandra undulifolia. So the flowers of this plant, they are orange colored and they are very attractive, and so they are these plants, it is generally planted for their attractive flowers. Then the next plant is the Asteracantha longifolia. So this plant, so the leaves and roots of this plant, they are diuretic. Leaves and roots, they are diuretic, and the seeds of this plant, they are used in the gonorrhea, in the treatment of gonorrhea. These seeds, they are commonly used. So thus here, these are some plants of this family which are economically important and used by the different purposes by the human being. So this is about the economic importance and about the family Acanthaceae. So I will conclude here. Thank you very much. Okay.